Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Brainy Techs and Ideas. Today I'm going to show you a new website where you can earn free cryptocurrency by just doing simple tasks. You don't need to do any investment, and the best part is you can withdraw your balance instantly to your cryptocurrency wallet. I will also be sharing the payment proof with you at the end of the video, but before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it. And press the notification bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you get to know it. So let's get started to see how we can create an account on this website, how we can work on this website to get free cryptocurrencies, and how to withdraw the balance instantly to your wallet. The link of the website is given in the description below. You click on the link and you will be able to open the website. The website I'm talking about is the Faucet Crypto website. The page will appear somewhat like this, and then let's see some of the features of this website. If you come down the page, you can see different ways of earning are given over here. Short links, main reward, achievements. Then you can earn by viewing the PTC ads, and then offer wall is there where different offers or surveys are given which you can click and which can complete and get the reward. And the next is some of the features of Faucet Crypto are referral commission is there, then level system is there. Each time you complete some tasks, you get to the upper level, okay, and then instant withdrawal is there. This is the best and most important feature of this website. So whatever you earn here, you can instantly withdraw it to your wallet. Next, some of the features are votes and polls are done over here. Multiple cryptocurrencies are present over here. You can earn in multiple cryptocurrencies. Almost 20 cryptocurrencies are present over here, and the leaderboard is there where you can see the progress. You can compare your progress with others also. Now let's have some look at the statistics. Almost 6 crore 51 lakh 43,902 tasks have been completed over here. 3 lakh 46,281 registered users are there, and $51,812 have been total paid over here. 12 lakh 78,777 total withdrawals have been done till date. Next, as I told you before as well, it supports almost 20 cryptocurrencies. So you can withdraw your balance in any one of their wallets. So that would not be any problem. So now let's see how to create an account on Faucet Crypto and how to work on it to get free cryptocurrency. When you click on the link given in the description, the website will open like this. Here you have to enter your email ID and then just press get started. As soon as you will click on get started, our registration page will open, and on this page, enter your username, the active email ID, password, and then repeat password. And after filling all the details, you click on register. After registering, you will receive a verification email on your email ID. As you can see, I have received a verification email. Here you have to click on verify email address. After verifying your email address, you will again log into your account, and the home page of the Faucet Crypto will open like this. There are different methods of earning on this website. As you can see, the first one is the daily bonus. 35 coins you get every day for logging into this account. So you can claim these 35 points as daily bonus. Click on claim and another page will open like this. Just wait for a while and a timer will start at the bottom of the page. As you can see, the timer is started, and when it will come to 0, you can claim your bonus. So now it has come to 0. I can claim achievement. So when you claim achievement, see, 35 coins was added to your account balance. So 35 coins has been added to my account balance. Now next, if you see on coins below that there is written ready to claim. So this is a very good faucet which can be claimed every 40 minutes. This is the second way of earning over here. We'll just click on ready to claim. When we'll click on ready to claim, a page will open like this once again. And once again, you can see a timer will run at the bottom of the page. Here it is 4 3 2 1, and when it becomes 0, I'll click on get reward. So when you click on get reward, you will get your reward. See, 25.23 coins was added to your account. So my balance has been updated once again. Now the timer is showing 39.47, 46, 45. These seconds are left to claim the next faucet. The next method to earn over here are short links. These are the links of the website, very short links of the website, where you have to open the links and wait for the timings going over here. Then you will get the reward. So we'll just see how it works. We'll click on short links. Again, a page will open like this. Here you can see there are short link amounts 7, 0 completed links for today, and there are 26 links are available over here, and earnable coins from them are 437.40. so this is the statistics given of the links over here. If you come down, you can see there are so many links given over here. In first view, you can see 7 in first link you can see 7 views are available over here. So we'll just click on complete link, and you'll click on complete link. Again a timer will run. So when it will come to 0, just wait. Yeah, we'll click on generate link, then it will get navigated to other page. Here it is showing show timer or click here. So you'll have to click on show timer or click here. This is the step 1 of 2. So you'll have to click on show timer. As soon as we'll click on show timer, again timer will start running for 8 seconds. So when these seconds get completed, in between, if any ads open, you just close the ads and come back to this page, and then just click on continue. When you will click on continue, again it will show timer, click here. Now the step 2 of 2 will open. Again you will click, and you can see the timer of 8 seconds is running again. So just click on continue, and while clicking on continue, if a new page or an advertisement page opens, just close that page and come back to this page. Okay, so it will automatically come back to the dashboard of Faucet Crypto, and as you can see 13.67 coins were added to my account. So in this way, these links will work and coins will get added as you will get on completing these links. As you can see, there are different short links available, and you can also see how many views are available for that particular short link, and how many coins will you get when you will view those short links. So you can choose accordingly, or complete all the links. Now the next method of earning is PTC ads, and I'll show you how this method works. So when you click on PTC ads, you can see the number of how many PTC ads are available in front of that. It's showing 8 right now. So when you click on PTC ads, a page like this will open up. Now first line, you can see the statistics of the ads, like 8 ads amount. Now 0 ads are completed till now, and 8 ads are available to watch, and the total unable coins are 112 coins. When you see the ads, their seconds are written in front of them, like all the ads here now I can see are of 16 seconds. Also you can see what is the number of coins you'll get for visiting each website. Here it is 14 coins. When we click on visit website, again a timer will run. As you can see, a timer is running over here. When the timer ends, visit website link appears over here. Now click on this visit website link, and the page of the website will open. As soon as the page opens, the timer will start running on the top right corner of the page. Website page, that will be for 14 seconds as mentioned in the ad page. After 14 seconds will get completed, here continue will come. You will have to click on continue. When you click on continue, again it will return back to the dashboard. Now you can see 14 coins was added to your account balance, and above you can see 1 ads completed and 7 ads are still available. So this way you can complete all the ads and earn all 122 earnable coins. Now what is in the achievements? Achievements are those when you complete different ads or short links, then achievements are given at intervals. Like in case of short links, when I'll complete 5 short links, I can claim the first achievement and I'll get 10 experience points for that achievement. Likewise, further achievements are given for levels as well. Okay, so you can see in levels as well. If I reach to particular level, like if I reach to level 50, I'll get right now I'm in 42. When I reach to level 50, I can claim this achievement. Then for PTC ads as well, the achievements are given. So when I'll complete 5 PTC ads, 10 experience points will be given. And then next is others, that is for daily visit. When you visit daily, then you can claim this achievement here, which I have already claimed for today. So these are the 4 easiest methods of earning on this website. The main reward, short links, achievement, PTC ads. So you can earn from these. Offer balls rewards are also there, but they are a bit lengthy. I do not prefer them, but you can still use them to earn free cryptocurrencies. So when you click on any one of the options of offer balls, as in here I have clicked on Vanets. So the wall of the Vanets will open. As you can see, there are different tasks are given over here. So you can download the given apps, reach on particular levels, or you can opt for daily surveys so that you can earn particular amount of coins over here. Though I find this method a little lengthy and personally I don't like this method of earning. You can for sure give it a try and earn a handsome amount of coins from here. The other option is of earning through referrals. So when you click on referral, you get this referral link. When you share this referral link with your friends or family members, you get the 20% off referral commission from it. Next we come to the process of withdraw. Let's see how can we withdraw our balance to our cryptocurrency wallets. So when you click on withdraw, a page like this will open up. Here you can see last withdraw crypto was BTC, and all the statistics are given over here. The current status is like 3834 coins are remaining to withdraw. So in one day you can maximum withdraw 3834 coins. Okay, here different cryptocurrency wallets are given over here in which you can withdraw your coins. So almost all the 20 cryptocurrency wallets are given over here. One more thing I wanted to show over here is here you can find the information of which cryptocurrency wallet can be withdrawn in which account. Like if you see this Bitcoin Cash, and when you click on withdraw, you can see it's showing that this cryptocurrency is probably out of funds. You should wait for refill. It takes up to 72 hours. So right now it is empty. It is also showing in red above that DW empty means this cryptocurrency is right now empty over here. The second thing is when you click on DW empty or full status, it will show you the method of withdrawal over here. For example, in case of Bitcoin Cash, it's showing a direct withdraw to your wallet via blockchain. So here you can use the wallets of Coinbase account or the Bitcoin wallet of your blockchain account. So now in case of Bitcoin, Faucet Pay micro wallet withdraw method is there. So you need to have your Bitcoin wallet in Faucet Pay in this case, and if you don't know how to create a Faucet Pay account, I'll tell you that in my in one of my upcoming videos. One more thing is there that in this withdrawal method, when you withdraw Bitcoin from Faucet Crypto to Faucet Pay, no fee is deducted over here. So this method is my one of the favorite method of withdrawing cryptocurrencies from here. But now as in this case you can see this cryptocurrency is showing empty, so I'll just use some other cryptocurrency to withdraw, just to show just to give you the withdrawal proof. When you withdraw to some other wallet other than Faucet Pay, a withdrawal fee of 50 coins is deducted from the number of coins you are withdrawing from here. Now I'm withdrawing my coins to Litecoin wallet of Coinbase account. As it is showing it is filled, I'll click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, a page like this will open up. We'll just wait for a while. Now in this page you can see withdraw balance. You selected Litecoin as crypto coin to withdraw. Withdrawal method will be direct withdrawal. Now we'll paste the Litecoin wallet's address from Coinbase account. When you come down, you can see there is a transaction fee of 50 coins on this withdrawal. So there will be, as I said you earlier, other than Faucet Pay, 50 coins transaction fee will be charged on all the rest of the withdrawals. So here, as you can see, I have a balance of 1670.49 coins. Out of that I want to withdraw 1600 coins, so I have written coins amount to be 1600. Now when you come down, you have to solve the captcha. Just solve the captcha. Please click on the similar buttons in the following order. Beach, so you'll have to click on beach. School, then click on school. Airport, then click on airport. Okay, so you will convert 1600 coins to 0.00063214 LTCs on this transaction. So it is all the withdrawal information given over here. 1600 coins, that will be the value, and 0.00002039 LTCs would be the transaction fees. Okay, so we'll just confirm the withdrawal. So just click on confirm withdraw. Okay, it is confirming. As soon as it will get confirmed, it will show success. As you can see the message over here, and you can see the balance as well. It has become 70.49 coins over here. Now we'll go to withdraw section once again to confirm. Here also you can see last withdraw crypto, it's showing LTC, and today's withdrawals are 1, and coins withdrawn today are 1600. Now this is my Coinbase account. Here also you can see the received Litecoin status showing. It's showing 0.0006 LTCs received. So this is one of the very good websites which gives you the withdrawal instantly. You can take you can convert your coins to your cryptocurrency and take it to your cryptocurrency wallet as soon as you earn them. So this is all about the Faucet Crypto website. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon, so that every time I upload a new video you get to know it, and you can work on it and earn free cryptocurrencies. Thank you.